Hi, glad to have you guys come and visit the new Costco location here in Clovis. What we're doing is we're offering a larger facility, about 150,000 square feet and about over 800 parks. The old facility 29 years ago, as the business has grown, the member base has gotten larger, we didn't have the facility to offer the members what they deserve. So that's why we decided to relocate and offer the facility we have today. So we have expansive bakery, fresh areas, ancillaries, and overall merchandise items that we carry are much larger than the previous location. So we're happy to be here and want you all to come join us today if you can.